try to take about the 4 variable map. So if I am saying that 4 variable map, 4 variable map, A, B, C, D, here only one kind of representation is possible, right? Because it's completely a square. Right? What are the values? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, fine. Now, if I am going to have an expression like this, 1, 1, 1, 1, like this. How can we combine? Can I combine first all the four in which are in single column? Yes. If I combine all the 4 in a single column, what you can do? What is the value? You are going to get CD. You are going to get CD, right? Similarly, what are the other combinations? Can I combine these two? Yes or no? I can combine these two. What is the value you are going to get? You are going to get A bar, B, and these two which are changing. D is changing, so you have to eliminate. So you will get C. A bar, B, C, right? Is there another combination? Is there? Another combination is there. These two also possible, right? So if I take these two, what you are going to get? Again A bar, B. What is the value? A bar, B, D. Here you have to think like it should be C bar. It should be C bar. A bar, B, C bar. This is possible, right? So what is the meaning of this one? So I have to eradicate this also. I have to remove this red color also. Here I have to remove this black color also, right? For that we will come across that later part. Okay. So try to check here. What are the meaning of this expression? A, B, C, D. Zero, zero, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So this should be 1, 1. This should be 1, 0. Okay, fine. Try to like I am trying to represent the values like this. Right? What is the expression value? First you are going to combine these 4. What is the value you are going to get? AB. Then you are going to combine. Can I combine these 4? Yes or no? What is the value you are going to get? I think A is not changing. Here D is changing. So AD. And can I combine these 4? Yes. What is non-changing? A is not changing. C is not changing. So if you observe, what is this expression? AD plus AC plus AB, right? Which is equivalent to the starting of the expression, right? If you are able to observe, this is the expression we got. This expression we got. What is the outcome we got? AB plus AC plus BD. AB plus AC plus BD, right? So if you open your notes and try to write down these values for the expression, right? So what is the value of this one? This particular value is 1100. This particular value is 1101, and next value is 1111. Next value is 1100. Next last line value is 1001, 1011, 1010. Meaning that this should be like 12, 11, or 13, 13, 15, 14, 9, 11, and 10, right? If you look into this first example, if you are going to write those values in the decimal value, you are going to get those values only, right? See, observe now, as I am going to have a large expression, trying to solve it in the form of Boolean theorem is a difficult thing, right? You face a lot of hurdles here in order to get this expression. Am I right? The same thing you got in a simple way. In a simple way, that is the advantage of K-maps. Okay, so how can you write the same expression? Sum of 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 13, 14, 15, right? Now, if I would like to write its opposite side, right? It should be in the form of product of the sums. What is the value you have to write? You have to write compulsory 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is not complement. This is not complement. This is in the form of product of the sums. The result is in sum of the products. If you would like to come up across the product of sums, you have to make like this, right? So that also, this should be in standard sum of the products. This also should be in the form of standard product of the sums. That is what, right? See, if you are going to have an expression like this, x plus yz, how can we represent in the form of k-map? What is the variable? How much variable k-map you require? 3 variable k-map is required. Is it okay? 3 variable k-map is required. That is x, y, z, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. What is this value? 0, 0, 0, 0, right? Meaning that this expression you cannot able to directly represent. So what you have to do? You have to first convert it into standard sum of the products, then you have to make it representation. So that is the advantage of canonical forms, right? So canonical forms are used for to represent your data in K-maps, right? So how can we convert this into standard sum of the products? X into y plus y bar, z plus z bar, plus x plus x bar, yz. Try to solve this one. You are going to get, I think, xyz, xyz bar, xy bar z, xy bar z bar is all done. 4 expressions, 4 combinations you are going to get. Then you are going to get xyz, x bar, yz. Right? Now through this expression you can represent. That's it. Right? So if you would like to represent anything in the form of K-maps, compulsory those should be in the form of standard sum of the products or standard product sums. That you have to remember, right? Now what is the value of this one? This value is 1. This value is 1, right? So you can able to remove the redundance. XYZ is redundant, XYZ is redundant. I can able to take out 1 because A plus A is way. Is there any redundancy are there? No. What is the value of this one? 110 is 6. This is 101 is 5. 100 4. 011 3. Right? So in place of 1, so how can you remember this one? This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also you can do simply 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So by just making a practice you can able to write. Okay, fine. Now how can you represent? In place of this one I am going to represent like this one. In place of 6 also 1. In place of 5 1 more 1. 4 1 more 1. And 3 you are going to place 1 more 1. How can we combine this one now? I can make combine of these two. 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 Am I right or not? Because those are some of the possible subgroups. Okay, fine. So now try to check. If I am going to write this. If I am going to write this in the form of pi of 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What is the meaning of this one? In place of all ones, what you have to place? you have to place zeros. When you place zeros, how you are going to write this one? 1 will be represented as normal a bar, 0 will be represented as a. So meaning that when you are going to write like this, now it is the complement. It is the complement, right? If you want, you can just write that. So if you take the first one, here you are going to get a b c bar d bar, right? I think you got a b c bar d bar. A b c bar d bar means what? Double one, double zero. Double one, double zero is 12. 12, right? So for this, if I place 0 in place of 12, if I place 0, how we are going to write this one? You are going to write as a bar plus b bar plus c plus d. Is it a complement or not? A complement is what? Every letter you have to change it to complement. Every dot you have to change it to plus, plus change it to dot, zeros place to 1, 1 place to zeros, right? So meaning that if you write like these terminals, these two are complement each other. Summation of all numbers, the same numbers having projection, you are going to get complement. If you are going to get, if you want to get sum of the product of the sums, then you have to take out all the remaining zeros. Okay, fine. Try to take out this one. I would like to take ABCD. What is the value of this one? What is the value? How many minterms you are going to get? 4. Is it 4 minterms? Only 1 minterm. Because it's a cube, right? When you make cube, all corners equivalent to one adjacent, right? Right? If you want, you can able just understood. So what is this value? This value is 4 zeros. This value is what, ma? 0 0 1 0. 4 zeros, 0 0 1 0. How many bits are changing? One bit is changing, so they are adjacent. If you take this also, 4 zeros and I think 0 1 0 0. How many bits are changing? One bit is changing, so they are adjacent. If you take this also, 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 and take out the another number, these two, 1 0 1 0 double 1 1. So these two, is these two, how many bits are changing? One bit are changing, so they are adjacent. So finally, what is the value of this expression? How many are changing? This 0 0, so this 0 is not changing, right? So this 0 is not changing, so this is b bar, and this 0 is changing, and this bit, so this should be like b bar d bar. So like this also you can able to come.